Hey everybody, Josh here with another installment of Artpocalypse, Mentor Public Library's weekly arts and crafts video series. Here to show you some cool stuff. We're going to do something awesome today, so stick around and we'll get started. So for today's craft, I'm going to show you guys how to make this guy. It looks like a little bee, and it's an origami, what do we call it? An origami bug door climber. Something you can latch onto your doorknob and then it'll climb up, and I'll show you when we're done doing this one exactly what I mean. So all you're going to need for this one is a piece of yarn or string, probably about like 3 to 4 feet long. You'll need a square sheet of paper. If you have origami paper, that's perfect. And then just a glue stick. Let's get started. So what you're going to do with your sheet of paper, fold it in half to make a triangle, like so. So that's that. And then with the pointy side away from you, you're going to want to pull these two sides up to meet that point. So fold it up like this. Okay, and then take the ends of those folds you just made and bring it straight down until you hit this crease over here, and then just make a line. Do that on both sides. It doesn't have to be perfect. Lord knows no bugs are perfect, right? Bugs are gross. Alright, so then once you have that, that's the base of your bug. You're going to want to fold one half of these two sheets back. Try to keep it symmetrical. So then you're going to want to do the other one, and then leave a little bit of space just for like aesthetics, I guess. So that's like the outer side of your bug. So what you're going to want to do then, now that you have this shape, is fold, turn it over, and fold like a straight line down, because you're going to form its wings. Right, so there's one side, and do the same thing on the other. Like I said, it doesn't have to be symmetrical or anything. Let me see if I can get my paper to agree with me. This isn't origami paper. It works a lot better with that because it's actually made to be folded. This is just copy paper, but it still works. You just have to force it a little bit sometimes. Alright, so it should look something like this, hopefully a little bit better than mine because you guys are awesome. So then what you're going to want to do from there is take your string and fold it in half so that loose ends meet. And you'll have this end, put it between the two like wings, and then take your glue stick and glue the wings down. And make sure that the string doesn't get caught up in the glue because that'll defeat the whole purpose. So you just want to do it like just on the edges here, and then keep this like up against the folds that you made. And we'll let that dry, and then we'll try them out and see how this works. Okay, so once your glue is dry, you take your little bug friend, and then with the loop, just hang it over a doorknob, and then pull him back towards you, him or her. I don't know what gender this bug is. And then make sure the cords don't come out the end. Just grab one end in either hand and then pull them against the sides of his wings, his or her, and then just start pulling and he'll start climbing. And sometimes he'll try to come back towards you. You want to keep that bug away. That's pretty cool, right?